The first thing that I would like to talk about what is sensor fusion. I mean, I will go through some of the basic concepts very briefly just to remind you some of those definitions. Sensor fusion is a process that we are combining different sensors. I mean, it's obvious that we are combining them for getting a higher accuracy, better accuracy, reliability, and also complete data. In the right side, you can see an example. Probably many of you, because before joining Sanborn, I myself didn't know that. For aerial imageries, we are using sensor fusion. That's camera, very expensive, high-end cameras, fused with LiDARs, and again, with very expensive IMUs to get good data that we have to, for our customers. The importance of the sensor fusion is that it will allow us to have to make a better, decision making, have a better control, and also it's useful for automation. For example, if I will give you an example that if you want for autonomous driving to use to have a good localization, there's two approaches. The first one is to spend over 100K to get a very expensive GPS fused with a very expensive IMU that gives you centimeter accuracy for navigation. This is not the luxury that many companies, want to, expend, to cost for that. And because of that, the other approach is that you choose some of the, let's say, cheaper sensors, and then fuse them together to get something decent and reliable. I'm not promising that you will get, for example, with a $50 GPS from, let's say, Amazon, if you fuse it with the IMU, you won't get a centimeter accuracy, but you will get something reliable. At least you can use it.